Well, everyone, we finally got the iPhone 13s much earlier than last year, at least like time-wise. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Now, this is the standard one, the Sierra Blue version, whatever it's called. And this time, no plastic around the packaging, which I'm really happy about. Last time we had to go through it, and it's always been one of my most annoying processes. But now we can just go ahead and peel these things off. We can go and flip the phone over, and this thing should just pop up just like this. Now, nothing along the other side of the box right there. Now we have the phone itself. Now let's go ahead and pop this bad boy open. And you can see we do have, as most of you know by now, the cameras diagonally. We can flip it to the side and pretty much it feels almost exactly the same thing as the iPhone 12 from before. So let's go ahead and power this bad boy on. Should only take a second. There we go. Now let's go ahead and put this iPhone right here. And through the rest of the boxes, you can see we have the standard lightning charging cable here, which is great to see. We can go ahead and pop this thing open. Nothing underneath, no charging cables, no headphones like we've seen before. We can open this up. We have the SIM card eject tool right here. And we do have the Apple sticker right here and some, reading material. So that's really it in terms of the boxing. There's really not a whole lot else. The charging cable, as here as always, is pretty much the same thing, USB Type-C and everything. But that's pretty much it in the box side. Now we do have the iPhone 13 here, and I do have the iPhone 12 right here. And we can actually go through the quick setup process by putting this iPhone right next to here. We can go ahead and click continue, and then we can go ahead and bring this iPhone like right up here. And this will go ahead and get us set up automatically. So overall, just looking around the outside, it looks pretty good. There's not a whole lot else going with it, if I'm being honest. It looks almost, it is the same thing as the iPhone 13s. I thought they were going to look a little bit different. I will say the back glass feels just a little bit more different than the back. Actually, no, they feel about the same. There's not a whole lot else going with them. Notch is a little bit smaller. It is noticeable for sure. You can see kind of side by side with these two on top. It is actually way more smaller than you may think. There's actually a way more difference in terms of them, which is actually pretty interesting. Now going through the normal setup of the iPhone 13, there's really not a whole less to it. I've already done this like 50 times in the last few days with all my iPhones, and I probably shouldn't have clicked continue. But essentially, what everything you get in the box and everything, how it is now, and even with the camera setup on the back, I actually do like that. I kind of at first wasn't a huge fan of it, but now it's actually kind of grown on me a little bit, and I do like it. It is kind of strange because it is a much bigger sensor than the other iPhones, and I think as a whole, I'm pretty happy with it. We'll just kind of see how it compares against all the other iPhones, but that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.